Have you ever accidentally deleted important data from your phone and felt the panic set in? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into Wondershare Dr.Fone, a powerful phone management tool that claims to help you recover lost data from both Android and iPhone devices. But how reliable is it really? Let's find out. Wondershare Dr.Fone is one of the best data recovery software for Android and iPhone. It is a powerful and versatile phone management software that helps you efficiently manage your smartphone. Dr.Fone offers an extensive suite of tools to help you optimize, secure, and troubleshoot your device. One of the best aspects of Dr.Fone is its ability to cater to a wide range of needs, making it an all-in-one solution for phone management. You can unlock your device, change its virtual location, transfer data between devices, erase unnecessary files, and even mirror your phone screen to your computer. Some of the key features include Screen Unlock. This feature helps you bypass lock screens, including pins, patterns, and even Face or Touch ID, without losing your data. Location Change or Virtual Location. Want to spoof your GPS location for privacy or gaming? Dr.Fone lets you change your phone's GPS location without needing to jailbreak or root your device. Great for location-based apps. WhatsApp Transfer. Switching phones and worried about losing your WhatsApp data? Dr.Fone allows you to transfer your chat history, including messages, images, and videos, between Android and iOS devices seamlessly. Data Eraser. When selling or giving away your device, it's crucial to erase your data securely. Dr.Fone's Data Eraser ensures that all personal data is wiped beyond recovery, protecting your privacy. Screen Mirroring. Need to present or stream your phone's screen on a larger display? Dr.Fone's Screen Mirroring feature allows you to project your phone's screen to your computer in real time, making presentations and live demos effortless. It's not over yet. Dr.Fone also offers tools like phone transfer, data backup and restore, and system repair to fix common phone issues. But today we're focusing specifically on the data recovery capabilities. So let's dive deeper into how it works. To get started, you first need to download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer. The great news is that you can install it for free without paying anything up front. Once installed, connect your phone to your PC. The software will automatically detect your device and prompt you to start the recovery process. For Android devices, however, you need to enable developer options and USB debugging for the tool to access your data. This step is crucial, as without it, your phone won't be scanned. When you're ready, select the device from which you want to recover the data. The software will then start scanning your device. One good thing about Dr.Fone data recovery tool is that it can recover all types of data, be it photos, videos, documents, messages, contacts, and call logs. You can choose to scan all data or just specific file types to speed up the process. Be warned, scanning everything may take a while. Once the scan is complete, the tool displays both deleted data and existing data on your phone. You also have the option to filter results to show only the deleted files. Simply select the files you want to recover, hit the Recover button, and watch as your data gets restored. Now this sounds promising, but how does it perform in real-life situations? During my testing, I found that Wondershare Dr.Fone was able to recover some deleted files, but not all. It seems that the success rate largely depends on whether the deleted data has been overwritten on your device. So while it's not 100% reliable, it's worth a shot, especially since you can try it for free. The story is pretty much the same for iPhones. You connect the device, initiate a scan, and the tool quickly checks your phone for recoverable files. Unlike other software that can take hours, Dr.Fone is relatively quick. However, the recovery rate is still hit or miss. So what's the verdict? Wondershare Dr.Fone is an impressive phone management tool that offers plenty of useful features beyond just data recovery. While the recovery process itself is simple and efficient, the success rate can be unpredictable. But since you can try it out for free, it's definitely worth testing before committing to a purchase. If you're in a data loss situation, time is of the essence. The sooner you attempt recovery, the better your chances. Let me know your experience with Wondershare Dr.Fone in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more data recovery reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.